Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to add a frame to your videos right from your smartphone app. It's a very simple process and let's get started. So first of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the CapCut app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the new project button to start editing. Here you can select files from your gallery, select the video you want to add a frame to, and tap on add. Now the video will be imported to your project. You can see the editing timeline over here. Now let's add the frame. In the bottom menu, you can see the option overlay. Tap on it. Again, tap on add overlay. Now select any image or videos that you want to use as a frame. For this video, I'll choose black screen video, which will make the black frame. Select the overlay and crop it. Here you can see the option transform. Tap on it. Tap on resize. Choose according to the nature of the video. My video is portraits, so I'll crop it to this size. After you select your size, drag it to your video. Next up, you need to mask this overlay. Here you can see the mask option at the bottom. Tap on it. Choose rectangle. And after that, here you can see the option invert at the bottom. Tap on it. And now you can resize to adjust your frame position. You can see the resize icon over here. You can drag it and adjust according to your need. Make sure to fit the frame perfectly around your video. Alright, there you go. This is how you can add a frame to your video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.